Hello my friends! Today I'm going to give you a book summary about 13 things mentally strong people don't do by Amy Morin. It's a very exciting book because we find ourselves many times having some bad behaviors that are blocking our success and our goal. So keep listening, stay tuned. Number 1, replace self-pity with gratitude. Many times when life is throwing challenges at us, when we're going through difficulties, we can very easily find ourselves in self-pity, feeling sorry about ourselves and really engaging with all these negative emotions. It's the world's mistakes and not our own mistakes. Mentally strong people replace that with gratitude. Whenever they face hardships, they're grateful and they make the best out of it. One example is a blind woman in America who is running marathons and encouraging other people to do the same, and she's blind. So even though she's blind, she's doing the best out of that and she doesn't suffer in self-pity. Number 2, hold on to your power and practice forgiveness. Mentally strong people, they don't give away their power. They start to forgive other people, because when you don't forgive other people, you are wasting all the energy in them, for them, and the focus is not on you. So when you forgive others, you do yourself your favor and you take back the energy and you take back the power to yourself. So number 3, embrace change. When there are changes in life, you can ask yourself, what kind of emotions are coming up? What does it make me feel like? And then you can ask yourself and decide if you want to actually listen to this kind of emotions, because many times they are not helpful to us, and we can make the decision, just become clear, maybe you want to write them down and decide, I'm not going to listen to that negative self-talk because it doesn't serve me. And then you consciously make the decision to set some goals in the direction that you want to go, even though it's difficult and you have these emotions, but you intentionally set the goal for the new direction and you make a schedule, you make a plan to achieve your goal and be successful. Number 4, don't get distracted by things you can't control. A lot of people love to complain about so many things they do not really have control. Perfect example is in a traffic jam and you are getting upset because it's slowing down and you don't have time and you're complaining and this and this. Mentally strong people don't do that because you cannot control the traffic jam. And there's a lot of other things in life we cannot control. So find creative ways and solutions and things that you can do in that time and where you want to give your energy towards, and don't lose your energy for negativity. Number 5, don't please others all the time. A lot of people are people pleaser and they don't stay true to your values. And when you not stay true to your values, you might find yourself giving up your values or compromising your time and your energy just to please others, which doesn't even serve you in the long run. So stay true to yourself. Number 6, don't be afraid to take calculated risks. There are some risks in life where we never want to take them because we're super afraid, but when you actually start to analyze them and see how dangerous they actually really are, many times you find is not as bad, and it might be a good opportunity for you because you are thinking it through it rationally. And don't just cut it off and say directly, I'm not going to do that. Think it through rationally and see if it's really that dangerous or if it's an opportunity for you to bring you forward in life. So friends, this is it for now. Part 2 is coming.